My fridge.
See?
I'm hungry.
Don't touch me.
Why? Why?
Because your hands are dirty.
Oh.
Go wash them first.
So you get nothing. You lose. Good day, sir. Are you kidding me?
Mean fridge.
I washed my hands.
Don't open me yet.
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
What are you looking for?
I don't know.
You're not ready.
So you get
I want a slice of pizza. I want a slice of pizza.
shut up.
I want a slice of pizza.
Oh my God, shut up!
I want a slice of pizza.
You have to ask me.
Can I have...
You didn't say please.
Please?
Shut up.
No, you can't. Because your mom ate the last slice for lunch.
Hey, fridge, is there anything for lunch? Like a sandwich or pizza?
Merry Christmas!
Mean fridge.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy
Halloween.
I got you some candy.
Really? Really?
It's on top of my head.
Found it. Thanks.
It's my pleasure.